Hello, my name is Joel Straz, Health Officer with the Bay County Health Department. Today is Tuesday, January 12th, and here are the updates for this week in COVID-19 vaccines. So the good news this week is that we are slowly but surely getting through the Tier 1A list. We still have a number of individuals to vaccinate in that category, but we are going to be contacting individuals in the Tier 1B category, and that first includes those who have registered with the Bay County Health Department on our online registration system, or those who have already left contact information with the Bay County Department on Aging. So the other thing to take into consideration is the overwhelming demand for the vaccine and the limited supply. Right now, we have on hand about 1,000 doses of vaccine. We plan on getting about 1,000 more this week. But even with that, we have over 10,000 people that have registered and 2,000 people that have left contact information. Even if we did have adequate supplies to cover that population, and we were able to vaccinate 5,000 people per week, which is the same number of vaccinations that the health department normally does in a 1-year period, it would take us 5 weeks to vaccinate everyone in the age 65 and older category. So please, be patient. We will get back in touch with you. So what are some do's and don'ts to register to get the vaccine? Do register online if you're able to do so through the Bay County Health Department website. Do respond when a Bay County Health Department or Department on Aging representative contacts you to schedule an appointment. Finally, frequently review the Bay County Health Department website and the Bay County website for more information when the telephone registration system becomes operational. What are some things that you should not do? Number one, do not register more than once on the online registration system. Registering more than once does not guarantee that you will get registration any quicker than anyone else. Do not directly call any county department, including the Bay County Health Department or the Bay County Department on Aging, to schedule an appointment if you have not registered online. Once the telephone registration number becomes operational, then we ask that you contact that number. And finally, do not email the health officer or any county official to schedule an appointment. More often than not, people that do this circumvent the system when they should be registering online with everyone else. And more often than not, they do not provide enough adequate information to get in contact with them again. So once again, we ask you to either use the online registration system or wait for the county phone bank to open up later this week. Well, quite simply, a representative from the Bay County Health Department or the Bay County Department on Aging will contact you, and they will call you and ask you to schedule an appointment. Well, there are shortages from the federal to the state delivery system, and then from the state delivery system on to the local delivery system. So we expect in the coming weeks that the federal system is going to open up significantly, and that will really open up the supply of vaccine throughout the community. And as we had stated before, there will be more providers other than the Bay County Health Department that will be providing the vaccine to persons in need. So please be patient. Keep an eye on the Bay County Health Department website, keep an eye on our news releases, and hopefully we will be able to expand vaccine distribution in the community. Unless you've had an anaphylactic reaction to a vaccine before, then you are eligible to receive the vaccine. However, when the vaccine is administered, you may want to let persons know that you've had an anaphylactic reaction to food, so we can keep a closer eye on you. But for the most part, unless you've had an anaphylactic reaction to a vaccine, then you don't need to worry. You can get the vaccine. please go to the State of Michigan's website at www.michigan.gov/coronavirus for a list of locations for the county nearest your residence. So finally, let me say, information changes on an hourly and daily basis with the coronavirus vaccine. Sometimes we have expanded capacity, other times we find ourselves with limited capacity. So please, constantly check the Bay County Health Department website and the Bay County website as well for more information at www.baycounty-mi.gov.